Hey everyone, join us once again as we are on the most incredible journey, yes, exploring the beautiful country of Japan as a family and making memories for a lifetime. Today is episode 10 where we go to TeamLab Tokyo. This adventure was incredible. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Let's go inside the balloon.
This was one of our last adventures on our Japan series, but we had to check out TeamLab Planet Tokyo. In this vlog, we will not be doing as much voiceovers because we want you to experience it like we experienced it. If you have questions, put them down in the comments.
Read explanations of the artworks that are close to you.
Going up. What are we stepping on? It's like a bunch of beans.
Yeah, it's like a bean bag. Okay, keep looking. Okay,
Feels good on your feet.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool. Check this out. Such a cool experience. Just lights changing and not knowing what's real and what's not real is kind of crazy.
Kind of trippy. I feel like I'm in VR.
Wow. Once again, this is kind of crazy, trippy a little bit because of the mirrors. That's really cool though.
Infinite hallway.
There's a drum right there.
Oh, it's warm water.
It's fish.
Oh,
You can interact with them.
what in the world? Look how big this place is.
Wow. This is
Let's go find a spot. Is this what you're talking about?
I saw videos.
Look at the
This is
coins.
awesome. There's little videos that you can interact with them.
Oh, yep.
Like you touch it.
So cool.
I just want to lean back in it.
Everyone's got a bunch of flowers on.
Whoa! I just turned on my purple.
Crazy.
I know.
Wow, look at all those.
I just went in a circle.
It looks like milk.
They're all making the whole entire area strawberry milk.
Yeah.
There's strawberry milk. Oh, it's cold.
Oh, when you touch the water, it turns off. Amazing.
I know. Let's go inside the balloon. Wow, it even goes over here.
Still going. Wow, the lighting's really cool in here, and these balloons are everywhere. You're hiding.
So it's right there. I found it.
Where did Daddy go? Right, there you are. I've been trying to find
I went over
you.
on the other side. Super cool. It really is. Come on.
There you guys are.
That was what last. Let's go.
We're laying on mirrors that look like we're floating
And flowers.
in flowers. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. Look how far below us. Look
I
around.
know.
Making me a little dizzy.
I could stay here for a while.
And the music's incredible.
Can you smell the flowers? It smells like flowers too. When you shake it, it changes color and sound.
They go dead big. Shake, 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 shake.
Oh, they disappear. Can you catch them?
Now wash it. Wipe it. Ready?
Where'd you go?
Go walk around. It's like so many rooms. I know. This is so cool. My phone died, so I switched to the GoPro. But there are so many rooms, it's easy to get lost. Every room is like a unique thing. It's really, really cool.
Wait.
What do you have to keep on moving forward? Oh my word, look at this teen. What do you have to do?
Just turn it around.
Got the magnifying glasses.
No, that's a thing, a place.
What? I'll draw a flower. Flower.
What are you drawing?
I see. What should I draw?
That's Ezekiel's turtle still going crazy. Whee! Almost making it pee. We made it. Whoa! Whoa, that one's slippery. I know it moved. What is it?
Do you want to go in here? It's like little bacteria on the floor. Coming from all the way up the
Whoop! I'm falling. I'm not doing so well on the whole color thing. Dang, you got it. No broken ankles. Yeah, a little bit, doesn't it?
Let's see, I'm just going to maybe go like
Yeah, the smells, the senses are different, right? I am blown away already with this place. This is
Yeah.
Definitely
And
a
we've
must.
been here almost 2 hours.
Almost 2 hours, and I think we have quite a bit still left. But definitely worth it. For those that are Universal fans, in here it smells like the ET ride at Universal Orlando. So fresh. Brings back a lot of memories. Wow. You having fun, girl?
Yeah.
It's so cool in here, isn't it?
These are real flowers.
Don't touch them, they fall apart.
That is
And you can smell it
insane.
too.
Wow. I'm surprised they are real flowers. This is nutso. I mean, look at this. That's amazing. So cool. See, the flowers are going up and down.
What's organs?
Orchids. These are real orchids. It's a type of flower.
We absolutely loved our time at TeamLab Planets Tokyo. I know there's another one, I believe, in Osaka. We'll have to try out next time. It was a late night and we were tired, but we had to grab some food. Not even sure exactly what this place is called, but if you know,
okay.
let us know. It reminded us of a late night diner that we'd find in the United States, but actually the food was incredible. And the kids absolutely love the robot serving us.
Nope. There's fabulous Oreo gravy in, so I could go through.
It's a spot, right? It's like their version of Denny's, I think.
Yeah.
Look at that, Daddy.
How many today?
Look at that.
8.3 miles.
Another day, 20,000 steps.
I'm right here. Daddy, look. I'm
see that.
exhausted. Look the ice cream I got.
And a 7-Eleven stop before we get back to our hotel. Hey everyone, don't go anywhere. We have one final vlog of our Japan series where we have less than 24 hours to experience as much as we possibly can of Tokyo. Click the link now. It's a cat in a panda suit.
So small.
This is absolute epic, man. That's $70 I've ever spent in my life. Yoshi, hold on, buddy.